Well, here's what happens when you get a lot of snow and then drifting into our thing. We have people helping out clean up some of the road because we live in a tertiary street and nobody comes in to clean it up. As you can see, you don't even see our driveway. We have so much snow that we actually have to make a little bit of room here in the stairs, and then I'm going to start cleaning this up later. Now, Scott is down there helping out, and you can see nobody comes here in our street to help us out, so we have to actually clean it up ourselves, and that's what happens, you know, nothing, all this crap. One big snowstorm, that's what we gotta do. Well, I literally just started, and there's a lot of snow to clean it up still in the driveway. Look at this. Look how deep that drift is. It's a lot of freaking snow here.
Sensor decides that it's big, so then it's playing catch up.
Can you do it manually, like set up a sensor to just start it?
So there's no timer. It's either automatic sensor or manual. And if it happens during the nighttime,
Because we were thinking of putting one here, but as I'm looking at it, it's the wheel track. So
yeah, this is just the wheel tracks, and it goes up and then makes a circle up there, and then comes back down, so it doesn't even get up in that area over there. I would recommend, I'd almost recommend something electric if you're going to put one in.
right, that's all I was looking at. Like power.
Right. So this is actually water pipe over here, and then of course the water is heated by natural gas.
E aí, querem vir aqui para poder ajudar? Tirar neve da minha casa? Podem vir. Não é fácil não. Tem que fazer o que tem que fazer, né? If you ever come to our house in the winter and we got a snow like this, you may have to help out too. So let's get going and finish cleaning this up. Here are neighbors helping neighbors. We had a couple, elderly couple living in their house. So Scotty, the guy is on a snowblower, is helping making a path for them to get out of the house. Jim over there is still cleaning up his driveway. Mine now, I'm going to make a path for my car to get out. Still need to clean this up here. And thanks to Scotty's snowblower, our street now, we can go up and down on our street. It's been a hell of a snow day yesterday. and we're still digging out from the snow. Getting compact too. So I'm glad that cleaning up now, because nitro power will probably turn into ice. And you can well, the elderly couple should be able to get out today, out of the mess over there. They really got buried. And as you can see, I'm still working on a path here for my car. This is where I'm probably gonna have to. That one is still buried. Welcome to winter. My car now has a way of I can drive out, and will probably be a way for me to actually park it as well. So we're looking good. Well, after a while, I got myself a way out with my car. So I even made myself a little place there where I can park until this snow melts. Jim has his area that he can drive from there, and I can drive out from here. All good. On a good day's work. As you can see, I think the day is over for all of us. The garage, the driveway, it's all cleaned up, and we are good to go to work tomorrow if we need to. All a good day's work. Of course, everything else, as you can see, it's a mountain of snow. But we all did great. Look at that area right there. Look how much snow blowed in there. Amazing. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you had a good idea. I hope you had a good idea what it looks like in our house when we get a lot of snow.